Okay, students, very good morning to all of you. Uh, I hope you are able to see me and you are able to see the screen also. Fine. Okay, great. Now, if you remember the last session, we did discuss about questions, the kinds of questions with which you just get a confirmation of some kind of a decision. Let's say you have taken, a decision to go out and you just want a confirmation from your friend whether he's coming with you or not. So what do you say? You would say, are you coming? Right? So that's what you want. You don't want information with those kinds of questions. You just need a confirmation, yes or no. Like teachers would ask, do you understand? I just asked you, can you see me? Or can you see the screen? Right? So that's not the information that I'm looking for. I just want a confirmation so that I can start that yes, all of you can see the screen. Right? So for that, the question pattern would be a question that will ask for just getting confirmation, usually with a yes or no. And you will also need to know that the structure is very simple. It will start with a helping verb such as am, is, are, do, does, did, or it could also be with, let's say, other model auxiliaries such as can I, should I, would I, may I, right? Very popular say question that students usually ask is, may I come in, sir? Right? So that's are the kinds of questions that we have seen in the previous session, right? So I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you have understood that part. So today we shall see a few more kinds of questions which will help us to understand and help us seek information as well as the opinions, right? So without further ado, let me start the session. So let's look at a few kinds of questions, right? All of you can see this question. So the question of a question is, what is common in all these questions? What do you think is common when you look at these questions? They are verbal question. Okay, you mean WH question. So what do you mean by WH question, Dawal Bhatti? Kisan Ranjan also said, yes, they are questions. It's very difficult to identify, but all of you did, so very good that all of them are questions because there is a question mark at the end. Wonderful. What else is common in all these questions? Yes, all these questions would have some answer or should have some answer. That's very interesting. Then, okay, then we have asking only to one person. Well, it could be to many. For example, I can ask you, uh, say that, but yes, mostly in these cases, you can say it's asked to one person. Fine. So where, who, and whom, etc., are starting with W and H, as some of you rightly observed. Wonderful. Say general information which should be known, and we want to know your name, we want to know other things. So for that purpose, we use these questions. So yes, what we could make out from your say observation, they are the part of direct conversation, as Vishal said, Venus said, asking about the place or time or specific details such as your name, your address, right? So where do you live? You're asking for the address. What's your name? You're asking for the name, right? So how far? So you're asking for the distance, right? Or let's say when, you are asking for time. So all these are specific questions with which you get information, some kind of information like name, like address, like time, right? So all those things you get with the help of these questions. For example, where are you going? So the person is going to answer that, okay, I'm going to X or Y place. So what you are going to get again would be information, right? So that's what you'll get in the response to these questions. That makes sense? Okay, now let's look at some of the observations. One word, say question, it's not one word question, it could be answer for this could be in one word. Yes, if somebody asks you, what's your name? Your answer could be one word like Jayesh or Prakash, that's true. Where do you live? You might say Bihar or Gujarat or Punjab. So that's true. It could be one word. It could, when are you going? For example, 5 p.m. So it could be one word or that way. So it's a good observation by Deepak Kumar that it's one word answer that you will get. That makes sense. Okay. Any other observation that you could see? Yep. Sorry. Yeah. about these questions? Why should you be sorry for this answer, Deepak Kumar? It's a correct answer you gave, because the answer you are going to get would be of one word. So Deepak Kumar, your question answer is right. Your observation is correct, right? So that's no need to be sorry about it. Uh, is it? It is everything about, say, place and time and other things. So these are correct observations. That's not an issue. Now let me introduce a few more kinds of questions. If you can see, let me see. Can you see this? Okay, now if you ask this question, for example, what is your name? Let's say we ask to our friend Prashant, right? So Prashant Rajput is there. If I'll ask Prashant, what's your name? And if, let's say, other friend of ours called Vivek would ask Prashant, what is your name? Do you think we'll have the same answer or different answer? If I'll ask Prashant, what's your name? And our another friend Vivek would ask Prashant, what's your name? Do you think we'll have the same answer or different answer? Sure? Yep. So wonderful. So wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, thank you. Obviously, it will be same. Vishal Kumar said different answer. So why, Vishal, do you think it will be a different answer? If I ask Prashant, what's your name? And if another friend, or let's say you would ask Prashant, what's your name? How do you think it will be different? Prashant? Okay, Prashant himself said it will be a different answer. So how do you think it will be different? Well, I think I didn't make my point clear. So let me repeat my question again. If I ask Prashant, what is your name? That's one situation. Second situation, let's say Vivek would ask Prashant, what is your name? Do you think you'll get the same name, or do you get the different names or different answers? Right. So Vishal, Deepak, we are going to ask the same, say, person. Two different people, three different people, 10 different people would ask, what's your name? Because Prashant has the name, it will remain the same. Person who is going to ask may vary, may differ, but still you'll get the same answer, right? Or let's say we'll ask, let's say Deepak Kumar, where are you from? Right? Or somebody else would ask Deepak Kumar, where are you from? His answer will remain same or different. If we ask somebody like Deepak Kumar that where are you from? And I'll ask, or Vivek ask, or Prashant will ask, we'll have the same answer, isn't it? Wonderful, wonderful. So that's same. So we are on the same page. So now, uh, look at these questions now and tell me first, what do you think is common in these questions? One, and what do you think would be the answer to these questions? Will it be the same or different? Yep. Because yes, it will be different, right? So if I'll ask, let's say Vivek this question, if I'll ask Raj this question, if I ask Dia the same question, I'm sure all three of them would have different answers, right? You may like X place for traveling, your friend would ask, may like B place of traveling, right? So your choice would differ, your opinion would be different, right? So that's why this would be the case. Same is the case with second question. For example, if you ask your teacher, how should I prepare for my exam? If you ask your classmate who is not so good with his studies, this question, how should I prepare for my exam? If you ask a student who was a topper in the class, that how should I prepare for my exam? And if you ask a student who was not so bright, who was average or below average, this question you will get a different answer, right? So same with say third question, that is which is your favorite movie, right? So if I ask you, or even let's say I ask you this question, that what's your favorite movie today, and I'll ask you the same question after 5 years, still you're going to have a different answer, isn't it possible that you may start liking some other movie? So that's what is interesting about these kinds of questions. So the first set of questions where you are asking the specific information, which would remain the same because it's like the factual information, your name, your address, right, the time, right, or a place. Uh, let's say, where is this pizza parlor, or where is this post office, or where is the airport, right? So all these are specific questions when you're asking for information. When you do that, you will get a specific answer. But when you ask your favorite movie, your place that you like, or politics, for example, who do you think will be the next CM of your state, right? So I'm sure you'll have some different opinion than your other friends, isn't it? So that your answer is going to vary, right? So that's what we need to focus when we do that. So the activity that we are going to have today is very specific. What I'll do is I'll invite some of you to ask a few questions one by one. There'll be two sets of questions that you are expected to ask. First question, set of questions should be like these. That is, you are going to ask for some specific information, right? You are free to ask as long as it is the correct question. I'll try and give an honest answer. Fair enough? Right. So look at these questions. First set of questions that you're going to ask would be based on information. That means you will try and find out the information. So that will be first set. Once we're done with that, I'll ask a few more students to ask opinion-based questions. Possible? So let's give it a try. Okay. I hope I'm clear with the set of activity. Yep, all set for the activity. It's very simple activity. Two sets of question. First round we are going to have of information based question. Okay, you already know now what are the information based question. So let's see. I'll not go into this detail. WH question, of course, would generally start with W and H words such as when, where, how, etc. So that's why they are called WH questions. So now we are going to look at some say WH words. Based on that, you are going to ask a few questions. Possible? You are already given a word here on the screen. Based on that, you are going to ask, right? Okay. So do we have Deep Patel?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Deep. So uh, information-based question,
My
if you
first
can try.
question is,
Go ahead.
who won yesterday match?
Okay. If you can try with where, the word that you are given on the screen is where. Use the word where, and then you can ask.
Where do you stay?
Where do you stay? Wonderful. So that's perfect. So what you get? Information. So where do you stay? Let's say I stay in Rajkot. Some of our friends stay in, let's say, Ahmedabad or maybe in Bihar, right? So that's a good question. Yes. Second question, Deep, from the word where.
Where are you from?
Wonderful. Where are you from? You may be staying in Gujarat now, but where are you from? Are you from Gujarat? So that could be a good question. Where are you from? Wonderful, Deep. So that was Deep who asked us two questions from this letter. Wonderful. Now, do we have Dia? Dia?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Can you see this word?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you ask two questions about information, seeking information?
What do you like to have in your dinner?
What?
Do you like to have in your dinner?
Fine, fine. Okay, so what I'll say that I like to have X or Y dish, and that would be the
Okay.
information that you wanted to know, and I share. So, good question. Next,
And
yes, dear, give it a
what
try.
is height of Everest?
What?
What is height of Mount Everest?
Okay, because it is a specific question, article will come. What is the height? What is the height of the Everest? Because Everest again is a proper name, and a specific. There is only one Everest, so you will say the Everest, right? So good. I don't know.
Okay.
Right? So it's a general knowledge question, and I don't know. Fine. Thank you, Dia, for this question.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. So Vishal has an objection. Vishal said it's an opinion based question. So Vishal, can you tell me what do you mean by opinion question? Yes, Vishal. I think Vishal has an observation. Your mic is not working yet. I think last lecture also it was not working, right? Your mic would be your mouth. So if your mouth is not working, you are not in the class, or you will not get maximum out of a class. So make sure that you get your mic repaired as early as possible. Anyway, so we'll keep that in mind. Now, yeah, some of you are giving me answer 8,848. That's the height. Well, thank you. You improved my GK. Thank you. I'll try and remember that. Okay, so now a few other students, if I can get. Do we have, say, Vivek?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vivek. Can you use this word in your question?
When are you sleep?
Yes, come again, come again.
When are you sleep?
Okay. Sleep is the word that you used. The English expression for that is, when do you go to bed? Right?
When do you go to bed?
Yes, when do you go to bed? That's the question, right? You don't say sleep in this say phrase. The English way of asking, sote kab ho aap or sone kab jate ho, is when do you go to bed, right? When do you go to bed? That's one question. Very good. Next question.
When do you go to college?
When do you go to college? Wonderful. So that's the second question. When do you go to college? So that's perfect. Very good. Now let's look at these questions. If you see, we'll come to that. So this was the first round where we had some information-based questions. Now, I just want some of you to ask opinion-based questions. You already asked information-based questions. So when do you go to college? What's your name? Where do you live? You get some information, right? Now, if you can ask for some of the this opinion. Yeah. Do we have Ravi Kumar? Ravi Kumar, are you there? Ravi Kumar, can you hear me? Ravi Kumar? No? I think he has also a microphone issue. Do we have Jai Dobaria? Jai Dobaria,
Yes,
are you
sir.
there? Yes, Jai. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
ask opinion-based question?
When I am going to the college,
Okay. So when you ask when I'm going to college, I think you would only know. When are you going college could be a logically correct question. But what opinion did you ask there?
yes. When I should go, miss.
When should I, you want to say, right? When
Yes, sir.
should I go to college?
Hmm.
Yeah, so that way.
When
this
should I
is-
go to college?
Yeah, so when should I go to college? Well, after you complete your high school, you should go to college, right? And once you have taken admission, you should go to college, isn't it? Fine. So there is no
Yes, sir.
opinion that would matter there, because it's very obvious that after your high school, and if you clear the exam, and if you get the admission, you should go to college, and then you should go to college, isn't it? So that's there. But it's not an
Yes, sir.
opinion-based question, right? So think of it, and if you can try one more time with some other question.
Okay, sir. Not getting it.
Okay, I'll try and help you. See, these are the examples. These are the examples. Look closely, and I'm sure you'll get some idea. Can you see the examples on screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When and where I should visit a new place?
When and where should I visit a new place? Well, once this pandemic is under control, and once you get enough, say, permission, then and then only you should go for, say, traveling at the
New
outside.
place.
Yep, any new place. This is not a
Yes,
good
sir.
time to travel, by the way.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Isn't it? It's
Thank
not safe. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Do we have Bridge? Bridge Parekh? Are there Bridge?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bridge.
sir.
Would you like to ask some opinion-based question? These are some examples you can see on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Give it a try.
Why would you go to Bangalore in lockdown?
Why would you or why did you?
Why would you?
Why would you go to Bangalore in the lockdown?
Lockdown.
Well, yeah. So that's the reason that you're asking for. Well, the reason was there was very important meeting I had to attend, something like that. But whatever I'll say will not be my opinion, right? It will be my reason
Okay.
that I had a very important meeting and I had to go there. So what you'll get from my answer will not be my opinion. It will be the fact or whatever reason that I had for that compelled me to go to Bangalore, right? So you'll not get my opinion. You'll get my reason for going to Bangalore, isn't it?
Yeah.
So try again, try again.
Okay, sir.
So give it a try, second try.
Where is your father living?
Okay, so
Sir?
again, let's say my father is living in Bangalore, for example. That's why I went to Bangalore to meet him. So again, what you'll get? Information, the address of my father's or my father's address you'll get. It's an information that you'll get, isn't it?
Okay.
So how would you ask for the opinion? You can see these examples on your screen.
Which subject do you like?
Yes. So if I say X or Y subject, that will be my opinion. That will be my
Opinion.
preference. I like X subject over Y subject. Isn't it? So
Okay.
there, what you'll get the answer from me would be my opinion about my favorite
Opinion.
subject. So wonderful. So what's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is, of course, language, in English language, which I'm teaching. Right? So that's a good example. Yes. Do we have Dharmil? Dharmil Hirani? Dharmil Hirani, can you hear me? Yes, Dharmil Hirani. If you can hear me. Okay, do we have Sammi Akhtar? Sammi Akhtar? Sammi Akhtar, can you hear me? Hello, Sammi Akhtar. Okay, so Vishal Pansuria said it's working. So Vishal, would you like to try?
For sure, sir.
Sure. So Vishal, go ahead.
Who will win the next match?
Yes, who will win the next match? So whatever I'll say would be my opinion, my prediction, right? So my point of view, but it will not be fact, right? It will not be information. It will be an assumption. It will be a guess, isn't it? So good question, Vishal. Yes, next.
Where should I go for traveling?
Where should I go for traveling? Well, you should not go anywhere for traveling, at least for a couple of months. Once things are settled down, you may go for any place you like, right? So good. So that's the second example by Vishal. So thank you, Vishal.
Sure.
Yes, Vishal.
Also,
Yep.
what's my objection is once she says what you have to like in a dinner.
Okay, you are talking about somebody's answer that gave.
Yes.
Yes, that's a correct observation. When somebody asks you what would you like to have in the dinner, so what answer you will give would be your
Opinion.
preference or opinion,
Yes.
right? That's my opinion that for me, this is the best food. Yeah. If somebody asks you, what did you have for dinner, let's say yesterday, then what I'll
It's
say would
information.
be, then it will be information because that's not my opinion. That's what actually I had, right? But what you would like to have is the choice, right?
Yes.
So there, it's a good observation, Vishal. It will be the opinion, it will not be information. So that's true.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
true. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. Yep. Okay. So these were a few questions that we had. By choice, if somebody would like to add, or else we go for the next topic. Yep. If all of you could keep your mics on mute. Yeah. Anybody by choice would like to try? I get a space for one or two of you. I could see Dhaval Bhatti. Yes, Dhaval, would you like to try?
Yes, sir.
Dhaval? Yes, Dhaval, go ahead.
Why cars are better than bikes?
Can you repeat your question?
Why cars are better than the bikes?
What's the first word you said? Why or bike?
Why?
Why car are better than
Bikes.
bikes? Because it has 2 extra wheels, right?
Yes.
Very difficult question, but I can answer, I guess. Because it's expensive, because it's more comfortable, because it's you can go with a family, more members you can accommodate in the car, which you can't do with your bike. In the bike, you can go legally with 2, illegally maximum 3. Then it's not possible, isn't it? Yes. So thank you. I could see hand raised by Shivaniba. Shivaniba, did you raise hand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I would like to ask about what is your opinion about social media?
Okay, what's your opinion about social media? Well, it's widespread. It's not authentic. It's very, very time consuming. And if you are using it, you should know that you are using it, or you should be conscious that you are using it and not that social media is using you. So that's what my opinion is. It's not innocent. It's not fun. It's very, very time consuming. And you
Thank
should
you,
know
sir.
what amount of time you spend. So you should be careful. Yep. So we have Deepak Kumar Giri. Yes, Deepak Kumar. We'll take Deepak Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Deepak Kumar. Can you give me an example?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
When I go to best place for traveling, then I click the some beautiful pictures.
Okay. When I
Go to best place for traveling, then I click the some beautiful pictures.
very good, Deepak Kumar. Now, Deepak Kumar, can you tell me, is it a question?
I think no.
No, it is a statement. आप बता रहे हो कि आपने
Yes,
क्या
sir.
किया
Yes, sir.
when you go for a best place.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
say, you know, when I went to the best place, I took some of the pictures. So it's a
Yes.
statement. It's not a question. है ना? Got it? So it was not a question. So can you try a question? For example, when did you join the class today? That's
Yes,
the
sir.
question, isn't it? कि आप कब join करा?
Yes,
So
sir.
when is for time. So when did you join the class? When did you take the admission? Do you see that?
When did you go to Delhi?
When did you go to Delhi? Well, I have never gone to Delhi, right? I wish I would do someday if there will be less pollution, but at the moment, no plan. Fine. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now we'll go to last point that of today. These questions. You could see it's not a question; it's a set of questions. There are 3 sets of questions, if you can see, right? Can you see these questions? Okay, Heth. Can you please help me read first 2 questions, Heth?
One is formal and other is informal.
One is formal, another is informal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Heth. Can you read first 2 questions?
Yes. What is your name?
Mm-hmm.
Second one, can you please tell me your name?
Okay. And what's the difference between first 2 questions? Are they
Formal and
same?
informal.
One observation is formal,
No.
informal. Is there any other observation?
One.
Yes. Yes.
First one is directly asking to you that what is your name.
Okay, second
Secondly
is indirect.
requesting indirectly.
Okay, so I'm asking somebody that
Like
please ask his name,
requesting.
and both are direct, isn't it? You are not asking. Let's say if I want to ask Jigar's name, so I'll not ask Jigar, right? I'll ask Hed. Hed, can you please ask Jigar's name or what's his name, and then Jigar will tell you and you will tell me. Then it's indirect. I'm directly asking you, what's your name? That's there. So Jigar, what do you think? What's the difference, Jigar? Jigar James?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you think is the difference in the first question and the second question?
Sir, second one would be more polite than the first one.
Yes. So second is more polite, right? When you say what's your name, it's direct. When you say can you tell me your name, is also direct. But second one is a better option because it's a polite option, right? So can you please tell me your name, right? So that's way more polite than what's your name, which is direct. So what's your name is not impolite. Please understand this. But when you say can you tell me your name, it makes it more polite, isn't it? Chali. Okay. Do we have Jai? Jai Dave? Jai, are you there in the class? No? Okay. Do we have Ajay? Ajay Singh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you read third and fourth question?
Which is your favorite movie? Would you mind sharing your favorite movie with us?
So, are they same or different? Question number 3 and 4.
Sir, different.
तो कैसे different लग रहा है आपको? क्या difference
सर
है?
तो फर्स्ट वाले में फेवरेट मूवी के बारे में
और
सेकंड
second वाले में
पूछ रहा है कि आप हमारे साथ देखना चाहेंगे, मतलब शेयर करना चाहेंगे आपकी फेवरेट मूवी कौन है?
अच्छा, दोनों में पूछ तो एक ही रहे हैं ना, क्या मूवी आपकी फेवरेट कौन सी है बताइए।
यस सर।
है ना, तो अलग क्या है, इसमें थोड़े वर्ड्स ज्यादा यूज करे हैं, फर्स्ट में कम यूज करे हैं। सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द डिफरेंस?
सर सेकंड में रिक्वेस्ट किए हैं
और फर्स्ट में धमकी दी है।
नो सर, फर्स्ट में डायरेक्ट पूछे।
हाँ, तो जब आप कहते हो कि वुड यू माइंड शेयरिंग, तो वो हो जाता है बहुत बहुत पोलाइट, है ना। द सेम विद द फर्स्ट पेयर।
यस सर।
सेकंड वे ऑफ आस्किंग इज very very polite, right? The same way if you could see the third pair, right? So third pair,
yes,
do we have say Yunus? Are you there? Do we have Yusuf? Yusuf in the class? Yusuf, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yusuf, can you please help me read the last two questions? Last two questions.
Okay, what cell phone do you like? And could you please tell me what cell phone do you like?
Okay, so are they same or different?
So the difference is, yeah, basically they are same.
Basically same. So what is different? Like, could you please tell me? Is additional. Baki to ek hi hai. What cell phone do you like? What cell phone do you like? But in the second question, you have added.
Yeah, the second way is more polite way.
Yes, second is more polite compared to the first one. So what do you notice here is that's a polite way of asking. Yes. So whether you are asking information-based question or opinion-based question, you should know that in English you will always have 2, 3, 4 options of asking the same question, and you should go for as polite options as available and as polite options as you can remember and easily use. Right, so you should go for a polite version. That is the second version that you could see here in the screen. Right, so that's what I wanted you to notice. So could you please give me some examples of polite questions? Would you mind giving me a polite example of a polite way of asking a question?
Would you mind telling me where you are going to the holidays?
Yes, would you mind telling me where are you going to spend your holidays? Wonderful, wonderful. Right, Chelly. Anybody else? Yes, Abhishek Raj, would you like to share? Abhishek
Hello?
Raj? Yes, Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you give me an example of a polite question? Would you please give me an example?
Could you please help me? Is a good example, I think.
You mean polite example, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yes, so that is what you should be aiming at while you are trying. Now, we are almost at the verge of completing our class. Now, we are left with two more classes. That is, I think tomorrow and day after. These two would be our last two classes. So the task that I want all of you to have is you need to find out one, say, a small object. It should be a technical one that you can take, and then about that say technical thing you can choose say to speak for a minute. Maximum time is 1 minute, right? So you're going to tell us about object. Let's say you can take as simple object as, let's say, a cell phone, right? So can you speak about cell phone for, let's say, 2 minutes? Right, okay, this is a cell phone. We can use cell phone for calling. We can use cell phone for sending messages. We can also browse internet with the help of cell phones. And with the cell phones, we can also access to YouTube and other social media and social media platform as well, right? So if you, let's say, speak for around 10-20 sentences max, you will be able to speak for 1 minute, right? So what you need to do is you need to choose an object. It should be technical. It could be a gadget, it could be a cell phone, it could be Bluetooth, it could be laptop, right? It could be anything that is technical in nature, right? You cannot choose a forest, you cannot choose a tree, right? These are natural objects. You should choose an object that is technical, right? Very simple day-to-day thing. You can use telephone, cell phone, say mobile device, pen drive, right? Any one technical object that you can say think you can prepare, and you prepare it for a minute. I'm saying 1 minute maximum, right? So we'll come up with an object and we'll say, okay, this is my mouse, right? So the mouse has a name which is a rodent also, but technically mouse stands for this say gadget with which we can navigate, with which we can input, with which we can select and say do the operations on the screen in the monitor. So this is what the mouse is. So that way you can say, I can tell you the mouse previously used to have a ball, now it has sensor. So this is A kind of a mouse, this is the B kind of a mouse, etc. Something like that. But as I said, you should not go beyond 1 minute. Can you do that in the next session? Right, because we are say more number of students in our class, we will not be able to complete it in a lecture, that is tomorrow. We'll start with the students tomorrow, and we'll try and complete as many students as we can by tomorrow session. And then in the last session, that is day after tomorrow, we'll have rest of the students who would also like to participate. I tried my best to cover up as many as people as I can, but I'll try again to cover up all the students. So in case those students who have this microphone issues, network issues, are requested to get hold of a good say device there. You can get a microphone, and make also sure that you get your say net connectivity good, because otherwise you'll get disconnected and you have to say come and go again. So that way take good care of your network as well, right? So with that note, I'll take the attendance, and I just want all of you to give me your responses while I'll take the attendance. Yeah. Okay, so listen carefully. I'll have Ravi Kumar. Ravi Kumar, are you there? Ravi Kumar, if you can hear me. Okay, Ramji Kumar. Ramji Kumar is there? No. Jay Dobaria. Jay Dobaria.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do we have Rakesh Kushwaha?
Yes, sir.
Rakesh Kushwaha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's your first lecture with me. Rakesh Kushwaha, is it your first lecture? Okay. Fine. Janisa Patel.
Present, sir.
Okay. Guddu Kumar. Guddu Kumar.
Ravi Kumar present, sir.
Guddu Kumar.
Ravi Kumar present, sir.
Ravi, you are first to come. You should be alert, okay? Otherwise, you will be absent next time.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Guddu Kumar. No. Ashutosh Kumar. Okay. Hariom Kumar. Harsh Soni. Abhishek Kumar. Sonu Kumar. Manish Kumar. Brij Parekh.
Present, sir.
Okay. Abhishek Raj.
Present, sir.
हाँ. Shivani Ba.
Present, sir.
Jai Dave. Are you there, Jai? Okay. Dhaval Bhatti.
Present, sir.
Okay. Do we have Krishna Khoot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ravi Rathod. Are you there, Ravi? Okay. Do we have Miraj?
Yes, sir.
We have Rohit Kumar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ankit Kumar. No. Do we have
Present, sir.
हाँ रोहित कुमार है, अंकित कुमार नहीं है. ओके. ऋषिराज नो. अनिमेश राज no. Then Rakesh Kumar Shah. Rakesh Kumar, are you there? No. Do we have Nikhil Nigam Sharma? No. Vishal Kumar.
Present, sir.
Okay, Vishal is there. Awadh.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
ठीक है. Prince Prasad. No. Do we have Girdhar Kumar, if you are there? No. Pankaj Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Pankaj Kumar is there, right? Okay. Deepak Anand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mahadev Kumar. No. Okay. Do we have Venus Jadhav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Priyanshu Ader.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sure. Vivek Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Akshay Kumar. No. Navneet Kumar. Sammi Akhtar. Are you there? Sammi is not there. Okay. Hate Mujapra.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present.
Sure. Sarjil Juneja. Sarjil, are you there? No. Bhakti Dave, are you there? Okay. Khelan Sekhda.
Sir.
Okay. Ronak Babaria.
Present, sir.
Okay. Yusuf Rashid. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Present.
Sure.
Present,
Hinal.
sir.
Sure. Yusuf is there. Hinal.
Present, sir.
So, Kishan Hirani. Kishan, are you there?
Present, sir.
Raj.
Yes.
Raj Shah, right?
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay. Samarth Kular. Samarth Kular. Okay. Krishna Ranjan.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Sure. Vishal Kumar. Number 51. Vishal Kumar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Okay, so that we have. Okay, Harsh Pichadia.
Present, sir.
Hello. Okay, Deep Patel.
Present, sir.
Okay. Jeel Vadodaria.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present.
Vishal Panseria.
Present, sir.
Okay. Kishan Bhimani.
Present, sir.
Okay. Nisar Alam. Okay. Arvind Gupta. Sunil Yadav. No. Smith Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditya Nakum. Okay. Hemant Kumar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Puneet Kumar. Okay. Prashant Rajput.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hemant Kumar is there, right? Okay.
Prashant.
Sir.
Huh. Prashant Rajput is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then Vanshita Parmar.
Sir, Rakesh Kumar, sir.
Sir.
कौन?
Present, sir.
हाँ पहले
Hello,
वंशिता।
sir.
हाँ बताओ। राकेश कुमार अब बाद में बताना, अभी तुम्हारा नाम नहीं है, ठीक है? चलिए वंशिता।
निसार आलम।
Present, sir.
हाँ जी निसार आलम है। निसार आलम।
Sir, Rakesh Kumar, sir.
Sir, Vikas Kumar, sir.
हाँ just wait for a minute. Ajay Singh from IT. Ajay Singh, are you there?
Present, sir.
Okay. Deepak Kumar.
Yes, sir. Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Dharmil Hirani. No. Diya Vekaria.
Present, sir.
Okay. Deviraj Parmar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Jigar James.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Poojan Donga.
Present, sir.
Okay. Then Dharmil Hirani came, right? Dharmil Hirani. Are you there, Dharmil Hirani? No. Shubham Kumar. No. Raj Shah.
Present, sir.
Okay. Navneet Kumar. No. And Rahul Kumar.
Sir, मेरा नहीं हुआ निसार आलम।
One by one. First of all, this Rakesh Kumar Kushwaha is there. Rakesh Kumar Kushwaha is there. Anybody else?
Excuse me, sir.
One by one.
Vikas.
Sir, Dharmil Hirani.
Dharmil Hirani is there.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, sometimes my work is not working.
Your work is not working or your mic is not working?
Mic is not working, sir.
Acha.
Sir.
Okay. Sometimes your work is working, otherwise mic is not working.
Sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
next. हाँ बच्चा.
Sir, my name is Jay Dave. Due to network issue, I was not able to say yes to you for present. I am from IT department.
Tell me your name, complete name. Jay.
Jay Dave.
Jay
From IT
Dave.
department. From IT department, yes, sir.
Let me see.
Sixteenth roll number, sir. 16.
Jay Dave, yes, he's there. Fine. Yes, next. Anybody?
Sir, Vanshita Parmar from electrical.
Vanshita is there. Means Vanshita can go.
Sir, Nisar Alam.
Nisar Alam is there. He can go. Nisar Alam, you are
Sir,
there.
can we leave?
Yes,
Can
those
we
who
leave?
attendance is done, they can leave fast. Those attendance done, they can leave. In case you have doubt, you may stay and tell me.
So Vikas Kumar, hello. So Vikas Kumar.
Vikas Kumar's 27, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's there. Go, you can go.
Sir, Nisar Alam.
निसार आलम हो गया, कितनी बार करवाओगे? कल का भी याद लगाना है क्या? है भाई, 2 बार
Sir, Hemant Kumar.
है ना? जी के.
Sir, have you done my present, sir?
But who are you?
Jai Dave, sir.
हाँ, I did it once. I did it once. है ना?
Sir, Raj Shah present.
Raj Shah. Let me see. Raj Shah. Yes, not Rishi, right? Yes, Raj Shah is present. Yep.
Sir, Hemant Kumar.
हेमंत कुमार, आप तो
हेमंत
एब्सेंट थे
कुमार
ना?
सर।
आप तो एब्सेंट थे आप।
नहीं
है
सर,
क्या?
हमारा 2 बार बोले हैं।
हाँ, आपने स्क्रीन पे तो कुछ नहीं किया, तो कैसे आपकी एब्सेंट लगाऊं? प्रेजेंट लगाऊं कि एब्सेंट लगाऊं?
प्रेजेंट।
प्रेजेंट लगाएंगे ना?
प्रेजेंट लगाइए।
ठीक है, जब आपका नाम आए तब बोल दीजिए, आपका हो जाएगा। आपका हो चुका है, ठीक है, आप जा सकते हैं। चलिए, अदर्स दोज हु अटेंडेंस इज डन, दे कैन लीव। जी, यू कैन लीव।
सर, धर्मिल में प्रेजेंट कर दिया ना?
हाँ, धर्मिल इज डन। धर्मिल हिरानी, राइट?
Sir,